Okay, in this video, we're going to discuss how we're going to convert exponential equations into logarithmic form. Now, before understanding this, before solving questions related to this, we're going to understand the change of base law because that is what is going to be applied over here. The change of base law states that if the bases are same, for example, I have log LG4 over LG6, ठीक है. Now if my bases are same, then ये दोनों base same है. LG base 10 होता है और LG भी base 10 होता है, ठीक है. This is a common log. This is also a common log, base 10. If my bases are same, I can write this as log 4 base 6. Now 4 becomes the value of the log because it was in the numerator, and since 6 was in the denominator, that becomes my base. Let's take another example. If I have, let's say, ln pi over ln a, ठीक है. So I can write this as log pi base a, ठीक है. The value in the numerator becomes the value inside the log, and the value in the denominator becomes the base of the log. So yeah, the last example that we're going to take over here would be, let's say, okay, I have log 4 base 2 upon log 8 base 2. Now, again, my bases are same. Since my bases are same, I can write this as log 4 base 8. Okay? The value in the numerator becomes the value of inside the log. Okay? And the value in the denominator becomes the base of the log. Okay? Now, this has to be the same. Over here, this is also the same. Iski base E hoti hai. This is also base E. And this is base 10 and base 10. Okay. Coming over here, to convert from exponential to logarithmic form, whenever we're going to have numbers, okay, integers jab bhi honge, we're going to apply LG on both the sides. So yeah, so if I apply LG, तो मेरे पास आ जाएगा LG 4 to the power x equals to LG 60. This would become, if I apply the power law, x would become the coefficient. Okay, I'm going to get x LG4 equals to LG 60. And this will become, if I have to find x, if I'm making x the subject, then I'm going to get x equals to LG60 over LG4. Okay, based on the change of base law, I can write that x equals to log 60 base 4. Okay, let's take another question. Over here, I have x power y equals to 4. So yes, if I have x to the power y equals to 4, again, I'm going to do the same thing. Applying LG on both the sides, so I'm going to get LG x to the power y equals to LG4. Okay, so I can shift this y and make this the coefficient. So I'm going to get y LG x equals to LG4. LG वाली terms को इधर जाके divide करवा दूंगा. So I'm going to get y equals to LG4 over LGX, and that would give me log 4 base x. Okay. We have another question over here. It's 2 to the power minus 5 equals to 1 upon 32. Again, we don't apply LG on both the sides, so मेरे पास हो जाएगा LG 2 to the power minus 5 equals to LG 1 upon 32. So yeah, now I just have to shift this minus 5 and make this a coefficient. I'm going to get minus 5 LG2 equals to LG 1 upon 32. Okay. Now, what do I have to do? I have to divide this LG2 on the other side. So we get minus 5 equals to log 1 upon 32 divided by LG 1 upon 32 divided by LG2. So yeah, this will become minus 5 equals to log 1 upon 32. So yeah, since this was in the numerator, take care, and 2 was in the denominator, that would become the base of the log. So yeah, so I can write that minus 5 equals to log 1 upon 32 base 2, and this has been converted into the logarithmic form. Okay, the last one that we're going to do is this a power b equals to c. So I can write, again, I'll be applying LG on both the sides. So my pass aa jayega LG a to the power b equals to LG c. And this will become b LG a equals to LG c, and b would become LGC upon LGA, and I can get my answer as, I can write my answer as log C base